you probably know if you follow me on Instagram, and also for one of the videos I did on Chatty Get Ready With Me. I live on 5 acres in the Waikato in New Zealand. This morning I've got to shift my 2 Highland cows. They have jumped the electric fence, so I thought I would take you with me and show you the 2 girls and me move them back into the paddock where they belong. So I'm going down on my quad bike, so I'll start her up. So you'll see why I own a quad bike when you see our quite long driveway and the paddocks are sort of down below from our house. So let's go down there and we'll see what these 2 girls are up to.
So fast now, running the past, can only do that for so long. But I still got the fire, I'm a midnight flyer, with this one thing that I know. I didn't do this on my own. I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, done it anyway. Stick to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. Oh, I didn't do this on my own. Well, I built a lot of bridges and across more lines than anyone that I know.
First, I've actually got to go and turn off the electric fence because I've got to get through an electric fence and get the girls back over, and I don't really want a shock from that. It isn't that pleasant. I've had them before, so I'm just going to go into the shed here and turn that off. So I've turned the electric fence off now, so I just have to go through these 2 gates here. The second gate we only recently put up because my 2 Highland girls don't respect electric fences, so we're slowly changing it all to post and rail fencing. So I've just got to go through this gate first, and then just through this second gate here. And then I've always got to shut them behind me as well. So, oh, they're actually back in the paddock. Oh, they've come back through. My husband said that they had gone onto the other side of the paddock, but they're actually here. So they've come back through the electric fence again. So the other paddock that I'll show you in a minute over there where the electric fence is, we're going to change that to post and rail fencing as well, so they don't come and go as they please, because the last thing you want is for them to get out onto the road. Over here is just like a small orchard we have, and the bees and the beehives that you can see aren't ours. They are from a guy that places them on our land just so they're for breeding, and then he just gives us some free honey every now and then, so that's what they are. So here's the 2 girls under the oak tree, and they're looking very content and like they haven't done anything. So I'm actually going to shut the gate to this paddock so they can't get back into the extra feeding area we had given them. So I'll go over there to show you who's who. So this one is Tinkerbell, and she's slightly older. She's a year old. And the other one peeping around the tree there is Blossom. They're probably hoping I'm going to give them some hay. So that's the two girls. So let's go and shut this gate. I've turned the electric fence off so I can still do all this. I'm going to shut them in this area. So you can see out on the second paddock where there is this white electric fence that they just have absolutely no respect for and go through. So I'm going to shut the gate to this area, and we'll probably move them a bit later, either this afternoon or today's Thursday or this weekend. But the area that they're in at the moment is fine. We just thought we would give them a bit of extra grass to graze on, but I just can't have them escaping and come and go as they please. So this is the gate that I'm shutting so they can't get back out into this area. So they're all secure in here now, and they can just stay in this paddock here. It's plenty for them. We just like them to have a bit more roaming if they can. But here they are again. They're looking like it's a bit strange that I'm holding a camera. See if I can get it. They're pretty good. They come to me and I can hand feed them. But if I haven't got any food, they might be a little bit wary. So this is little Blossom. Looking like they haven't done anything wrong at all. And Tinkerbell, they love it under this oak tree here. Gives them some shelter from the sun. Even though it's now autumn, it's still gonna be quite hot today. I think it's gonna get up to 26 degrees today. And they've got plenty of water in the trough here. So I will head back. I don't have to worry about them now. I might actually go and check the mail while I'm here, but I'll just go and turn the electric fence back on. The fence along by the orchard along there can be hot wired from the electric fence as well, so I will turn that part on. And you can see I'm wearing my gumboots, but still wearing blingy jeans. But the gumboots are the best when I'm going through the paddocks in case I stand in any cow muck. So I've turned the electric fence back on, and now I'm back on my bike, and I'm just going to go down to the end of the driveway here and check if there's any mail. I'm actually expecting some makeup today.
Never learned how to crawl, but I learned how to walk, and I taught myself how to run. Been moving so fast now, running the past, can only do that for so long. But I still got the fire, I'm a midnight flyer, with this one thing that I know. I didn't do this on my own. I didn't do this on my own.
So there was some mail. It's actually something from Sephora. I think there's a couple of foundations and perhaps a mascara. It wasn't a huge order, but anyway, I'm really wrapped that's arrived today. So I'll have a look at those when I get back up home. So now I'm gonna turn around. I've looked at the girls, they're fine. I'm just gonna pop back up to the house. So I'll film going back up the driveway as well to our home.
Never learned how to crawl, but I learned how to walk, and I taught myself how to run. Been moving so fast, now running the past, can only do that for so long. But I still got the fire, I'm a midnight flyer with this one thing that I know. I didn't do this on my own. I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway. Stuck to my guns when there's been hell to pay. Oh, I didn't do this.
So I'm back up at the house now. Didn't have to move the girls back. How they got themselves back through the fence again. But lock the gate now in the other paddock and they're nice and safe. As I said, we'll move them again probably either today, tomorrow or in the weekend. But now I will go inside and open my Sephora package. So that's it for this vlog. I thought I would just do a small vlog so you can just see a little part of my life. And I'll see you guys in an upcoming video. And if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye.